Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by observing when the phone hangs and what you were doing. Reboot the phone and enter safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Check storage and free at least 500 MB to 1 GB of space immediately. Open settings and view apps, storage, and battery usage for the last 24 hours. Monitor CPU and battery temperatures and note any spikes over 45 degrees C. Record any error messages, freezes, or consistent app names causing the hang for the next troubleshooting steps. Begin quick software fixes before attempting deeper solutions or hardware checks. Clear app cache and uninstall apps using more than 30% of storage. Update the OS and apps to the latest versions within 24 hours to patch bugs. Disable animations and background sync to reduce CPU load temporarily. Reset network settings if hangs occur during browsing or calls. Backup data and perform a factory reset only if problems persist after these steps, and you have confirmed backups. If hangs continue, run a malware scan and remove any apps flagged as malicious. Check for failing storage by running device diagnostics or smart tools available in settings or via PC. Inspect battery health and replace the battery if capacity drops below 80% or if temperatures exceed 50 degrees C during light use. Reflash the official firmware only with verified builds to avoid bricking the device. If hangs persist after these steps, consult a professional repair service or the manufacturer under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.